Hey, what's up, Business 211? My name is Mohammed bin Zavas. I'm an international student from a country called Tanzania, from Eastern Africa. I'm in Towson. I'm a junior now, majoring in business management. And from this class, we'll learn about GSE, goals, strategies, and execution, and the money machine. And I tend to use the internet and this GSE to sell products from Africa through the internet. Products such as the beautiful sheepskin we have over here, where people can buy, hopefully people will be able to buy this online and keep it as a decoration, or sell it to companies and use it to make leather for shoes, handbags, and so forth. Hopefully they'll also be able to sell products such as gemstones from Africa directly from Africa to a consumer in America without having to go through dealers. Well, this is a presentation. Hopefully you like my blog. Thank you.